Today we're taking a look at the Wavelink AXE 5400 Wi-Fi 6 PCI Express add-in card. Thanks to Wavelink for sending this one over for us to test out, as well as sponsoring the video. The AXE 5400 is a PCIe card featuring the Intel AX210 chip. That gives us support for Wi-Fi 6 with speeds up to 2400 megabits per second on the 6 GHz radio, 2400 megabits per second on the 5 GHz radio, and 573 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz radio, for a total bandwidth of about 5400 megabits per second. This card features a beefy heatsink to ensure that we not only get those awesome burst speeds, but if you're really loading down the card during huge file transfers or extended streaming or binge watching sessions on Netflix, the AX210 should stay nice and cool, providing sustained, excellent performance. The AX210 also supports Bluetooth 5.3 for enhanced performance and security. We get a decent distance boost for Bluetooth accessories. The card uses the common USB cable connection for the Bluetooth header. That'll connect up to your motherboard's USB header in order to achieve this functionality. The card supports the newer version of OFDMA, MU-MIMO, and 1024 QAM. All of these technologies help increase the overall network efficiency and performance when you pair this with a newer Wi-Fi 6 or better access point or wireless router. The card comes with decently sized 5 dB gain omnidirectional antennas as well, which should be a good setup for most people in home and office scenarios. As you saw, the installation was relatively easy, and I liked what Wavelink included in terms of that extra half-height bracket. The card is small enough that it'll basically fit into almost all of the tiny mini micro PCs, like the HPs, the Lenovos, and the Dells that are out there. As far as my testing, I installed this in my Ryzen 9700 test bench PC. I was easily able to max out the gigabit connection on my wireless access point in order to get sustained transfers of about 100 megabytes a second. In terms of performance, that was pretty good, and I was happy with it. I tested this on my Windows 11 machine, but it should be compatible with most of the modern Linux distributions, which is nice if you're going to dual boot or if you're making that jump into something like Bazzite for your gaming machine. It's a solid performing card with some good functionality, and I won't lie, I'm kind of a sucker for the sticker design on the antennas. I do like it. If you want to learn more about this Wi-Fi 6 PCI Express card, or pick one up for your gaming or workstation machine, I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below, so head down there and check it out. Make sure to get subscribed to the channel for more component videos, PC and home lab builds, as well as some benchmarking content. Until next time, keep on gaming.